Hey everyone, Alex Ionescu here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. Tesla files for $716 million expansion at Giga Texas, including cathode plant. Idra Group, new 9,000 tons Giga press heading to Asia. Gordon Johnson, $24.33 price target for Tesla stock in 2023. 285,000 FSD sales in North America. Although before we start, if you find this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you crash that like button and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and takes just a split second. If you want to show more appreciation, consider subscribing to my Patreon. Now let's dive right into it. Tesla stock price yesterday up 3.68%, past year down 67%, past 5 years up 449%. Regarding Tesla stock, we need to hear opinions from both sides, bulls and bears. Here is Tesla bear Gordon Johnson with a $24.33 price target for Tesla stock in 2023.
First, let's talk fundamentals, right? You're looking at a company that is just a car company that can't sell its existing capacity. You're talking about, and your last guess, he missed something. We missed it this morning. We corrected it. The price cuts for their Model 3 and Model Y variants in China, their highest selling, were 17% and 13%. You have to adjust for the subsidy that went away in 12/31. Massive price cuts. So think about this. Tesla, the past 3 quarters, has produced more cars than it's sold. If you look at last quarter, they worked down backlog significantly, meaning their organic orders were around 250,000 cars. That's down quarter over quarter and year over year. They went X growth. You look at China's sales in December, wholesale sales are down year over year, X growth in their largest and only profitable market. Despite all of that, their Texas and Berlin plants are running at 20% capacity, so they can't even sell what they're currently making, yet, they're enacting all these price cuts. In Shanghai, keep in mind, the price cuts there are much worse than people think. Shanghai was only, they cut capacity by 30% in December. The first 14 days of 2023, the plant is shut down, which they have never done. 2021, 2020, they didn't shut it down in January. And all of the cars that have been produced are being exported. Despite all those facts, they're cutting prices. This is a disaster, but this is what happens when you overbuild capacity.
Idra Group, an Italian manufacturer, announced that another 9,000-ton casting machine has been produced at its plant in Italy. The company stated that the new Giga press is destined for Asia. It is speculated that the recipient of the new press may be Tesla, given that Tesla is the only automaker that has announced plans to use the world's largest casting machine to produce a vehicle, the Cybertruck. However, Tesla hasn't announced plans to build a Cybertruck in China, so the use of 9,000-ton casting machine remains uncertain. We can only speculate from this point onward, but Tesla's refreshed Model 3 codename Project Highland and $25,000 entry-level EV look like the main suspects for the Giga press. We will see. Tesla Gigafactory Texas facility is set to expand by 1.4 million square feet as the automaker filed over $716 million in new projects at the site. Tesla filed for 4 new projects on January the 9th, according to filings with the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation. The projects are filed separately because they will expand 4 different facilities, the filings show. Tesla registered the projects to Cell 1, Drive Unit, Cathode, and Cell Test Lab. The total cost for the 4 new facilities is $716 million, with the bulk of the expenditure coming from the construction of the Cell 1 facility, which is set to cost $368 million. The cathode building is $216 million, while the drive unit and cell test lab buildings will cost $85 million and $3.7 million respectively. Tesla has been planning to build a cell facility at Gigafactory Texas for some time. Tesla filed to build a cathode plant at Gigafactory Texas in February 2022, filings with Travis County showed. The cell facility will supplement the automaker's attempts to expand electric vehicle manufacturing in the United States, but will also help Tesla become less dependent on suppliers for its products. Currently, Tesla has numerous battery cell supply deals, most notably with Panasonic in the US. However, the growth of the EV market has placed a shortage of battery cells and battery materials. Tesla, which introduced its new 4680 cell several years ago, is planning to implement these new batteries into various projects, most notably the Model Y from Gigafactory Texas, which started deliveries to customers last year. Tesla delayed several projects over the past few years because of battery constraints. However, the construction of cathode and cell manufacturing plants at Giga Texas could relieve the company of these shortages as EV sales expand. Tesla is also planning to build a Cybertruck in Texas, but the packs are currently being manufactured in Fremont due to the lack of cell production plant in Austin. Evidently, Tesla will also be building drive units for its vehicles in Texas. It has built drive units for Model 3 at the Tesla Gigafactory in Nevada for several years. Tesla has confirmed that over 285,000 people bought its full self-driving FSD package in North America. The full self-driving package has evolved over the years with some features coming in and out of the package, but for the most part it consists of a promise to eventually deliver a full self-driving system through over-the-air software updates. For now, it mostly gets you access to Tesla's full self-driving beta, which virtually enables the vehicle to do all tasks related to driving on city streets, but it's not at a level good enough to be done without driver supervision. Drivers need to pay attention at all times and be ready to take control. Tesla has never shared the take rate of its FSD package, with the price varying from a few $1,000s a few years ago to now $15,000. The take rate has likely changed significantly. But the automaker has now released the first important piece of information about the popularity of its FSD package. In a series of tweets about a recap of its year, Tesla said that over 285,000 people have purchased FSD in North America. Here you can see the tweet. In an article in January 4, 2023, Tesla was hinting at making electric motors for airplanes, boats, and more in a trademark filing that went unnoticed. And on a weird note, it turns out that a Tesla fan filed the trademark on behalf of Tesla, seemingly without the company's knowledge. Maybe someone pissed off about Tesla's stock price crash? I don't know. Trying to pump it up? You don't need to, my friend. Tesla stock will do just fine without airplanes and boats. I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash that like button so that other people like you see this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.